Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to use a transition in a 4K video, that is a 180p transition. So I will take this transition as an example. If you want to download free transitions, then you can do it from Mixkit, mixkit.co. I will drop the link in the description. So I will just download this transition. I have already downloaded it. So here is the transition. I'll just double click it to open it. It's opening in my project window. So here you can see the transition. This is working fine in this window, and I will show you after. And after entering it, I'll just press enter to render it. So as you can see that transition is working fine in 180p sequence. Here I can show you the sequence settings. It's 1920 into 180p. So if I will drag and drop in into my 4K footage here, I will adjust it. Here I will just render it. You can render it by clicking sequence render selection. So the file is rendered now. I'll just break. See, this is a box here, and it will not, the transition is not working fine. So you must be thinking that if I'll increase the size of this transition, then it must be working. But I can show you that it will not work if I will increase the size for this to match sequence. This will not work. Let's say to make it 200, because 4K is the double of 1920. So if I'll double the size, this will not work. I'll render the selection again. So as you can see that this is not working. So I'll show you how to fix that. I'll just delete it and I'll go to the transition. This is the transition, and first of all what I need to do is, as you can see, my YouTube video sequence is 4K. It's 3840 into 2160, and it's the time base is 30 frames per second. So I will just change the sequence first for this transition. 3840 into 2160, and I will also change the frames per second. You can leave this frames per second if you want, but if you can do that, then it will work great. So now you can see that the sequence is changed, and the video is half the part of the sequence. So what we will do is, we will double the sizes of all these videos. uh, I will make it 200, because we have to apply it to the 4K footage. And if you are applying to any other size, then you have to adjust it accordingly. Okay, like for example, if your footage is somewhere halfway down, so you can increase it by here. You can increase it by this. Okay, so because I know the size, so I'll just double it. Now I have to increase this transition size as well, because you see this transition is still not working here. So I will double the size. And now you can see that even after doubling it will not work. I mean, that's the trick part, because some people think that if I'll drag this up here and will double its size here, then it might work, but it will not work, because that's not how it works. I have tried so many times, and I have also searched on YouTube regarding this, but I didn't find any information about this. So that is why I just figured it out, and I decided to make a new and I have decided to create a new video. So after I'll show you if it will not work. So I'll just render the selection here. See, this is not working. That's what I have told you. This will not work. So what is the trick here now? What we need to do is, we need to go to the transition. This is transition 15. So I'll just go over there. this is my transition. So I'll just go to the assets, and here you can see this adjustment transition. So just double click this sequence, and will it will open it in a new video. So we just need to change the sequence settings for this as well, just as we did for that. I'll just make it 30 and 3840 into 2160. So you can see that this is not. So I'll just go to effect controls now, and we'll double it as well. I am doubling the size for this picture. Okay, so now is it done, and it will start working now. So see, this is working fine now. I will just drag and drop it here to my footage, which is 4K, as you know. So I will have to render this selection as well. So it's rendered now. I'll just click play. See, this transition is working fine, and this is how I have used other transitions. See, these are working very good. So this is how you can use this method to change the 180p transition to 4K. And I hope this video helped you out. So if you guys like it, please make sure to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.